Compensating network. So here we are going to design a passive RC lead compensating network for the given specification, that is the maximum phase lead and the frequency at which it occurs to obtain its frequency response. And also here we are going to determine experimentally the transfer function of this lead compensating network. So these are the apparatus: decade resistance box, decade capacitance box, signal generator, CRO, probes and some connecting wires. So this is the circuit diagram. R1, C1, this is R2. So these are in parallel. So this is connected to R2. So this is the design of lead compensating network. So phi m will be given for you, that is 55, and frequency of 1 kilohertz. These things will be given for you. So you need to assume capacitance. So capacitance will be 0.01 microfarad. So by using these formulas you need to calculate R1, R2. So R1 we got is 50.57, R2 5.54. So these values we need to incorporate in our design. So R1, C1, R2. So connection are made as per the circuit diagram. So just trace out the connection R1, C1. So this is connected in parallel. You can see here, black to black, red to red. Then from here to resistance back to signal generator. That is ground, right? So this is the connection. So this is CRO. So this is our input. So this is my output. You can see. So input I will keep it for 2 volt peak to peak. Then output very similar to that of the input waveform. Then I am adjusting only input 2 volt peak to peak. Then output may be anything, no problem. Then go for Lissajous pattern. So this is our Lissajous pattern. So ground it, keep it in the middle. The point should be in the middle. Then put it for AC. Then Lissajous pattern will appear. Then this is signal generator. So frequency we are adjusting. So with respect to frequency, for 1 kilohertz, you will get phi m is equals to 55 degree. So we already discussed. So phi m, this whole term, this whole curve, this indicates B. You can see here Lissajous pattern is changing. So this whole term, this indicates A. So the middle, where it is intersecting to this middle line, this is your B. So A is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So small division, it indicates 0.2. So whole one block will be 1. So totally 4 divisions are there. So 4. So A is 4, B is 1, 2. Right. So sin inverse of B by A, if you calculate, then you will get 53 point something. So phi m for 1 kilohertz you will get 53. As in the design part, phi m is equals to 55 we took, then that is for 1 kilohertz. So similar way, for 1 kilohertz you should get nearer to 55. So that we have already shown you. So below 1 kilohertz you will get some values, that is lesser values, below 50, that is below 55. Then above 1 kilohertz again you will get some values, that is also below 55. You can see here 200 hertz 25.37, 400 44.72. Similarly for 1 kilohertz you are getting 53.87, nearer to 55. Then above 1 kilohertz you will get some values. Okay. So resultant analysis, for 1 kilohertz we are getting 53.87, which is nearer to 55, right? So hence we conclude that we can determine and design RC lead compensating network to get phi m is equals to 55. So, and also we can determine the transfer function.